Hi everyone. You may get Roblox error 277 suddenly, which is because of the internet connection. Error code 277 means that you've lost connection to the server. Since Roblox is an online game, you have to have a good internet connection, and the server has to be online for you to connect to it. When your connection or the server isn't working right, you might end up seeing this error. Method 1. Restart your computer. Sometimes the simplest things are the best. Try closing Roblox and any other programs, and then restart your computer. Once you're back on, try reconnecting to the Roblox server you were on before. Method 2. Reset your internet connection. Turn off your computer. Unplug your router and modem, and then wait 5 minutes. Once the time has passed, plug the modem back in and let it grab a connection. Plug the router back in and wait a few minutes for it to share the connection. Once all the lights on your devices are lit, and you're sure it's working, turn your computer back on. Wait a few minutes for the programs to load. Once everything is running, get back on Roblox and see whether it's working now. Method 3. Flushdns. Some people have had luck clearing error 277 on Roblox by flushing their DNS. Open command prompt as administrator. Close the command prompt window. Restart your computer and try Roblox again. This helps eliminate old settings and information in your DNS cache and may help Roblox run correctly again. Method 4. Check your browser. Roblox only recommends using specific browsers, Chrome, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. Try updating your browser to the latest version if you're having issues. In this video, I will show you how to update Chrome. Open your Chrome browser. Click the three-dot button at the top right of the browser. Click Help and choose About Google Chrome. Follow the steps to update. Sometimes it will tell you to relaunch the browser because it has already downloaded the update for you and just needs to finish installing. Method 5. Remove your Roblox log files. Close Roblox. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Select every file in the folder. Right-click and then choose Delete. Click Yes to complete the deletion. Restart Roblox and try to connect to the server again.